they still have the heart of confusing the country because they think they have money, they have wealth, and they can confuse the society. So they are not retiring in peace and letting other people work. Hawakubali watu wengine wafanye kazi ambao Mungu amewapatia wafanyie binadamu katika nchi yetu. Wanataka tu kuweka fitina na kuweka watu wagongane na wapigane kila saa. Na mimi nataka kuomba ndugu yangu Uhuru Kenyatta. We want a country that once you have retired, once you have gotten an opportunity because you work under privilege of Kenyans, and you have finished your job, please retire in peace, be a guardian, be an elder, and support other people to also work for this country called Kenya. The country is bigger than all of us, and there are many people who will come after even those who are in power today have served and have left. Please let the president who is serving currently deliver for his people. Let him finish his 2 terms, and after that, God will give us another leader.